Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkweli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. iKaizer Chiefs-ke namhlanje bafethu i-announce ukuthi i-dropha ejezi labo leli la ku-training. La majezi wabona bajima ngawo lawa mahle, bathi-ke ama-limited edition. So bathi-ke you can buy la majezi lawa online ku-KC digistore.com or any Kapa store nationwide or nationwide, yes. So banama sleeveless tops, banama tracksuit, banama long sleeves, and then bane 3/4 fits. So yizo izinto-ke engingazithenga overall if you love izinto ze-Kaizer Chiefs. I think they're dropping the collection le because amanye ama-fans ake akhuluma ukuthi hayi singathanda ukuba nazo lezi zinto lezi enijima ngazo, why ningazikhiphi. Finally-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs seyizikhiphile lezi zinto lezi, kusho ukuthi ama-fans, real fanatics we-Kaizer Chiefs azoba ne-chance ukuthi azitholele la majezi namavesti nama-tracksuit, everything nje overall lapha ne-Kaizer Chiefs esibabonayo kuma-clips bajima ngawo with ama-colours we-Kaizer Chiefs, i-gold and I think i-yellow is okay, bathi gold and white. Yiwo-ke ama-main colours-ke walezi zinto lezi abajima ngazo isikhathi esiningi. So ababasebenzisile laphana in terms of i-modelling noku-advertise laphana ijezi or la majezi lawa abajima ngawo, everything basebenzise uLuke Batman. Ngisho ukuthi sekunesikhathi-ke bayithathile photoshoot or bayithathe maybe last week or so before bayirelease namhlanje. I-training range yabo le yonke, and then basebenzise-ke uKhanyisa Amayo, uVele Bayi. So abadlali abasha laba esibabonayo basebenzisile bafowethu because basebenzise noLebohang Maboy ongakadlali not even a single game this season ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But yeah, it's beautiful things in fact for i-Kaizer Chiefs overall ukuthi bakhiphe lezi zinto lezi ngoba zinhle kakhulu. I think abantu bazo-appreciate ukuba nazo because sometimes ama-player nokuwufuna lezi zinto kusho ukuthi bathi-ke it's only for players for training, but this time around ba-release nezinto zaku-training. But abantu-ke ba-react-ile-ke online about i-Kaizer Chiefs nanokuthi bakhiphe la majezi lawa ku-online. Omunye uthi hawu kanti nibasayinele labafana ukuthi bazomodela hayi ukuthi ukudlala ibhola. I think it's just banter mawubheka, but-ke asikakababoni bedlala but already siyababona lapha kuma-photoshoot we-Kaizer Chiefs. Kusho ukuthi babo-poster boy we-Kaizer Chiefs, what is very important. I mean, you're becoming the face of the team because you've been trending online, and yeah, I think that's very viable Kaizer Chiefs for them to try and push to sell these products. But say new players, because new players, they have a big traction and they bring big foot traffic to Kaizer Chiefs overall. Yeah, so bona overall bafethu ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs izokwenza kanjani nanokuthi-ke izokwazi ukurectify amaphutha wabo. But yeah, njengoba nje sikhuluma based on le i-training gear yabo labayikhiphayo bafethu, that's yinhle yona ukuba yinhle, siyabona, ngifuna ukuqamba amanga. I think enye into ekumele sikhulume ngayo bafethu ebalulekile ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs, let's be honest, because of i-big brand, I think they are more focused on like i-marketing side of iKaizer Chiefs than i-team itself. Like i-marketing strategy ku-Kaizer Chiefs is possibly the best marketed brand in the country by far. I mean, iKaizer Chiefs uyibona everywhere bafowethu, i-branding yabo, association yabo nama-different brands. I mean, at some point angazi ukuthi basasekhona naleya yini i-funeral cover, like banezinto eziningi, banama-Simba wabo, Ramazimba wabo, banayo yonke into ongayicabanga ku-Kaizer Chiefs because they are Kaizer Chiefs, they are able to sell, and then they sell like products, like different things, and lezo zinto lezo ziyathengisa into serious, hayi indaba yokudlala. If they can try and focus, balance ukuthi okay, they're balancing the marketing side and the team itself, and then-ke bangazama ngempela ukuphusha for izinto nanokuthi bahlonishiwe inside the field of play. I mean, i-brand yabo in terms of ibhola i-number one in terms of like igear yabo, ukuthengisa ake beka abantu abathengisa njenge-Kaizer Chiefs e-South Africa. They have to model that thing around i-marketing pedigree yabo, nanokuthi-ke ba-shape, ba-change izinto nasegroundini babe serious, like every department ibe right, hayi ukuthi ilo department ye-marketing ibe bigger than amanye ama-departments of it, because wonke ama-department abalulekile, and the main focal point ilabantu laba abadlala egroundini ama-results. So it's very important for iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi ithole ama-results. Mayithola ama-results iKaizer Chiefs, the more ama-fans ajabula, the more aze e-stadium. Nasebusuku sibonile kudlala neMamelodi Sundowns, but I think was 75,000 stadium. Imagine a Soccer City ebusuku, but because the team was doing well, but the team now is dropping points. Bona badropa training kit. But yeah, sithemba ukuthi they will be able to rectify izinto and balungise la okuxega khona. Yeah, but yeah, it's a beautiful kit anyway. Thank you, bafowethu. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.